could I ask you about that promotion there on the, on the bird feeders and stuff? If I get like this one, I gotta get like a nectar, right? I can't get 2 bird feeders. You know what I mean? Like for the promotion, I have to get. See, it's got the, 1 bird feeder, and then get the nectar. But so it's not like, you know what I mean, 2 bird feeders. No. All right, it's the nectar.
Feeder, get a nectar.
So like I get one of them nectars, I should be good like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Good deal. Thanks a lot. Sorry, I just, I didn't know if it was double bird feeders or what. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Please take your receipt. Thank you for shopping.
I just bought the hummingbird feeder and the hummingbird nectar, like in combination, and it didn't give me the like promotion it's got. It says like it's supposed to give like 40% off. And I even asked, there was a worker back there about it, and they said, yeah, you're good on that. That's like this nectar and stuff, and it's got the feeder, so.
I'm getting 40% off.
It's like this is like the only nectar that's sold. It's weird. So, I don't know. I didn't see any of the other, like, isn't that weird? I don't know if it's,
I just want to do some checking to see why it's not working.
yeah. I don't know where else you'd find the nectar.
There's money. Yeah, it's not coming up in the system, so what I'm going to do,
Okay.
I'm going to do some magic here.
All right.
Well, it's going to be the dollar, it's going to be off, the 40% off.
Yeah,
this one.
whatever the procedure is there. I mean, I don't want to get you in trouble or anything. I thought it was kind of funny because I asked the kid. He was a younger
Yeah,
young
for some
man.
reason that's not even in the system. The bird
Which one?
feeder.
Oh, that is, huh?
This one's coming up as part of it, but that one's not.
Because I almost thought it was for 2 bird feeders. That's why I asked him. Because I'm like, do you have to buy 2 bird feeders? You know what I mean? It's like, but no, it says, it doesn't say you have a choice back there. I don't know if that makes sense, but
Yeah,
it's like, you don't.
Yeah, this one doesn't seem to be part of this thing, but.
Yeah. All right, I appreciate it. So.
It's only 85 cents.
Oh, all right. So those must not be eligible for that Michigan bonus thing then, is that right?
Yeah, because it's saying it's not part of the promotion.
I got you. That's probably like there's a whole procedure or whatever on that. So, yeah, if you want to maybe even look into that or whatever, that'd be great. If some, because it's like confusing, for people. So, you have one? You have one you can show somebody? Okay, thanks a lot. Take care. Scurried out the line here. But what is still continually being misrepresented here in this Oxford, Michigan Meijer is the bird feeder and nectar. So if you are looking for this combination, be forewarned. This is, the week is down here, May 8th through May 14th, 2022. That's the promotion. It's also online and whatnot, but that's left for other people to be potentially fooled. And that's a big problem that we have with current procedures at Meijer. And we do really advocate for a change, hopefully to address exactly this type of thing, because this is the tip of the iceberg, as we've said so many times before. So here in Oxford, Michigan, at the Meijer store, just watch out for that promotion and more. There's plenty others on here. So thanks again for watching.